What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a long time since the last video I uploaded in this channel. So for today's video, since I'm going back to vlogging, I am I sleep late even though I need to wake up early tomorrow. Because tomorrow we do have some things to do. So tomorrow we do have a what do you call this? We were going to the beach with my friends, and yeah, we really need to wake up early. Good thing si Pinka Ball, no nang nag-pink.
Si Hausa nagatok.
Pamanamang gatangan. Basta magatangan kayo.
Tayo ni Tagsanan.
In this video, naglalaro pa yung mga kasama ko habang naghihintay sa mga kasama naming hindi pa dumarating. So, sa mga oras nga na to, nakarating na kami at naglalaro na kami. No, habang naglalaro kami, ayan, napakalakas ng tawa ng video. First time yung nakita niyo yun. Oh my god, it was so chaotic. On this part, nakalimutan ko talagang mag-film. So, ayan, nag-aayos na ako kasi pauwi na kami. And right now, I am bonding. Yeah, I have a bonding with my friends. And yeah, nagchichikahan kami to catch up things.
Tapos, basta ipagpag nila yung balas. Pero try naman din
So this time, back to reality. Work ulit para may magastos na naman on the next gala. May year 2026 give you health, love, and healthy body, all the things that you need. So happy New Year everyone! Welcome 2026! Puto ka na! Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the post notification para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong content. And i-comment nyo rin kung anong gusto nyo gawin ko. So yeah, let's go!